Another spot that we'd see that is Noah and his 3 sons. When God flooded the whole earth, God told Noah to take his wife, his 3 sons, and each one of them had 1 wife, onto the ark. And then God commanded them to be fruitful and multiply, like they had to repopulate the entire earth, and each one of them only had 1 wife. And if there was ever a time in Scripture where we would see God condoning or suggesting or encouraging polygyny, I would suspect that that would have been the place.